Hey everybody, this is Tezlon for Drop Top Tees, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Madness Autoworks GOPedal Plus. What it is, how it works, or what it does, and why you just might want one. So, as you can see on the picture, there's basically three different things associated with it. You have the bigger square box, which is the throttle control unit, the round remote control, and also a phone, because you can also control this device through the GOPedal Plus app on your smartphone. So what is a throttle control unit, or a throttle response unit? Throttle response controller. Most cars, especially automatics, when you mash down on the gas pedal, have a built-in lag in the way the accelerator communicates with the car's ECU. There's a built-in lag. So as you start to press down the pedal, there's a little bit of a delay until your car starts to accelerate. Even on manuals, there's a built-in delay. What the throttle controller unit does is electronically eliminate or diminish the delay you experience. So when you press the accelerator this far, the engine ECU thinks you pressed it that far. You get a smoother and more rapid acceleration. And when I say more rapid, I mean more immediate. There's not a lag until the car starts to accelerate. The result is smoother acceleration, more rapid acceleration. You can feel it, and man, it definitely makes a difference. It will change the personality of your car. I already had the GOPedal on it, which I loved. Matter of fact, if you watch my other videos on all the mods we have on the car, I say that if you're into modding your car, you want to see some performance gains, the GOPedal at the time should be the first mod you do. And now I'll upgrade that and say the GOPedal Plus should be your first mod. It completely changes your car's personality, especially when you're accelerating. Everybody says the 124 produces smiles. Well, the GOPedal Plus changes those normal smiles into Cheshire Cat smiles. They're going to expand them and make them bigger, and I can't really describe it. You just have to experience the car that has it. You feel the difference. Now, having said that, I want to make sure you understand, it does not add horsepower. If you're looking for horsepower gains, this isn't going to do it. It improves your acceleration. Again, smoother acceleration, more rapid acceleration, and it does that by eliminating the lag that the car gets electronically when you mash down the pedal. Human speed is nowhere near as fast as electronic speed. Why would you choose this particular model over the GOPedal? What makes the GOPedal Plus more desirable? A couple things. In the GOPedal, there were three modes, and each one of those modes had 6 different fine-tuning settings. So you had 18 settings overall. Here we have 4 different modes: traffic, eco, sport, and race, and they each have 5 settings. So you get 20 settings as opposed to 18. However, unlike the original, the first 2, traffic and eco, actually detune your throttle response. And now, why would you want to do that? Well, in traffic, and I've tried this out on the interstates here, say there was a wreck up ahead of you and you have a mile or 2 of just stop and go traffic. Especially with a manual, it kind of bites, because you're trying to go slow, you're creeping, are you in first gear, are you in second gear? It just is a pain. When you set this to traffic, remember, one of the things is that it smooths out your response. It lets you creep along much easier. And when you press down the pedal, you don't have to worry about, oh my God, I caught up to him already. You're not going to do that. Eco mode, it won't help you much on the highway, but if you know you're going to be in city traffic for your whole drive, you can throw it into eco mode. It'll help improve your gas mileage, because when you press down the pedal, your response is delayed a little bit, smoothed out but delayed. So when you go pretty much anywhere in a car, you burn the most amount of fuel when you accelerate. And so since this dampens the throttle response a little bit, it's a little bit more economical. Now, if to offset the fact you have it on, you tramp it all the way to the floor, you're probably not going to save fuel. But if you continue to drive as normal in eco mode, I have got between 1 and 2 miles per gallon improvement in my gas mileage. And that's me. Everybody's going to be different. Sport mode, if you want boosted acceleration. Race mode, face it, that's where most of us are going to have this thing all the time, or most of the time. Race mode, you get max acceleration. There's a couple other features that, besides just the 20 settings, that boost the GOPedal Plus above the base GOPedal. And that is, you get protect mode and valet mode. In protect mode, when you turn protect mode off, get out of your car, take your remote with you, or if you're using the phone, take your phone with you. And even if somebody manages to start the car, say on the way out of the parking lot you drop your keys, somebody sees you drop them and they know what car you're in, they get in your car and start it, guess what? The throttle has been electronically disconnected by protect mode. You can press it down all the way, the engine does not rev. The car's in idle and that's it. You can't go anywhere. You have no throttle response. So it's a great way to help secure your car when you're not there. Valet mode is exactly what it would seem like if you're going to leave your car with a valet or leave it at a mechanic shop or something like that. You put it in valet mode before you get out. Take this with you. They can get in the car. They can operate it at low speed, but they can't go out and hot rod it and check out what the car can do and accidentally hurt your car because they're doing something that they shouldn't be doing. The first time Abby, my daughter, experienced the GOPedal launch from a red light, she said it felt like she was getting catapulted off an aircraft carrier. That's the kind of feeling it gives you. I can't really floor it all the way because I'm in town, but if you saw my smile when I accelerated, it's because with the GOPedal Plus on, you get the sensation of acceleration. It's amplified so much from a stock system. It's like I say, it's really hard to describe. You have to experience it. And all I'll say is, as I close out this segment, thumbs up if you like the video, hit subscribe, and I can't recommend highly enough buying one of these units and feeling for yourself how it changes the exhilaration your 124 Spider will give you.
Now I gotta floor it again?